found
concrete building with
the
six
stuff
holes.
in the water.
This is the
It went
Valve
up and then
House.
went down.
There are two, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains two 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
See the other people that were on our tour?
Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are six 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you follow the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that perform some of the most dangerous undertakings on the lower
Jenny
canyon
can say
margin.
I could too, Royce.
These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope or a bosun's chair, drilled blasting, chipping away at the rock.
Crazy.
It has been said that in the shadow